The feet are a reflex, the rest of the body. Specifically, the feet are a reflex for the chest, the feet are a reflex for the head, and the feet are a reflex for the abdomen. What we did was we chopped up the onion, like I'm doing right now, and we got 2 little plastic bags. James is only 3, so little onions is good for a little one. And we put a tablespoon of onion in 1 plastic bag, and we put a tablespoon of onion in another plastic bag. And then we put his feet in the plastic bag. So his foot, the bottom of his foot, is sitting on the onion. And then you pull the plastic bag up around his ankle and put a sock on, and then put him back to bed. So what's he got on? He's got his feet in the onion bag, and his feet, the bottom of his feet, where the biggest paws are in the whole body, are sitting on the onion. Not one more cough.